So hey, what's up everyone? Nabalitaan nyo na ba na merong bagong Burjuman Street Food Festival sa Burjuman Mall? Syempre sa 4th floor lang yan. Ayan, gumala-gala kami dyan and 20 lang naman na food stand yung meron at marami kayong pagpipilian. Syempre, kung nagkikrave kayo ng mga street food sa Pinas or mga pagkain na Filipino food talaga at hindi pa kayo maiinitan, mas maganda na rin na dito kayo mag-food trip sa Burjuman Festival Food Court. So, syempre, umorder ako ng baked sushi dahil favorite ko yan. Of course, meron din silang open mic na pwede kayo mag-karaoke and kung may mga talent kayo, pwede rin ninyong ipakita dyan. So, habang nira-rounding ko, Instagrammable pala yung place. Kaya pwede kayong mag-picture as much as you want. Ayan, kasama ko nga pala si Ate Ercy. And of course, kumanta din po tayo.
Alright, here's something from Rachel and Go. Bago mo awitin daw, ano ko nang uling kabinin. So, ladies and gentlemen,
she didn't want courageous passing by her, so she painted on a smile and took with some clown. Well, she danced without a net up and down wire. I know a lot about her, 'cause you see, baby isn't awful like me.
So ano pang iniintay nyo? Tara na dito sa Burjuman Street Food Festival at isama na ang buong barkada. Bye everyone!